Importante. Nah. Tama kan. Robot. Ulam nga para sa din nga dero. Take out ta na mo o mag-dine in tam. Lubos mo naman eh.
Uy!
Isa-isa lang. Ginupit mo nang ginupit.
Sige na nga.
Ay! Kaya ngupit na yung buwak ko.
Si Sentro ani bumabit na. Ah, Sen, hindi biro yan ha? Hindi
Maubos
biro yung
yan.
ganyan.
Wari lang naman eh.
Kunwari lang ha.
Hindi biniglan.
Hoy! Mali mo yan.
Kami passport eyes.
Ang lakas nun. Sobrang lakas. Dahil tayo ata malalaro. Dali! Dali! Dito ka kasi aabot na ito eh. Sorry na. No! Baliktad mo siya. Ganito siya. Ganito siya. Kaya pa na yun. Ready na? What? Lakas nun. Chichacha! Try mo. Ready? Ready ka.
Ginagawa mo sa panlakas. Bigyan mo ng mas maraming panahon. Diyan nagmumula ang buhay. Ito po alam ko na pagsigaw ito. Tignan niyo yung itlog ng manok mula sa loob. Diyan, nakikisa, lumalabas ang sisiyo. Mula sa loob, diyan lang.
Hey guys, today we're doing a mukbang. Hi!
Ito po alam ko na pagsigalita. Lumalabas ang buhay. Mula sa loob, diyan, nakikisa, lumalabas ang sisiyo. Ang lasa ng pagpapagsalat ng
Yeah, this is a good one.
isa sa labas.
So, you want some? There.
Kaya nga, mas kailangan natin
There's some soup.
ng pansin. Unang-una ang ating mga kalooban. Kumusta?
That's good
Nasa
soup.
loob mo. Maayos ba? Malinis ba? Tahimik ba? Mabuti ba? Tanong ko lang po sa mga babae na palagilan nila.
Sorry guys.
Di po ba kayo nanganawit? Diba? Pag naiwan mo yung lika,
Hi guys.
ang sakit
Today
sa
we're
mga
doing a
tiyan,
mukbang.
kahit naman po yung mascot,
Oh, this smells so good.
yung kanyang nararamdaman dun sa loob.
Taste the egg. It's so good.
Nakakapagod din po, nakakangawit, nakakabigat, ang nagpapanggap.
Let's put you some soup.
Minsan, kailangan mong umiti, pero sa loob mo,
That's actually good soup.
minsan, kailangan mong ipakita na malakas ka sa pamilya
Yes,
mo
good
kasi
noodles.
ayaw mong magkalala sila sa iyo. Minsan, kailangan mong bumangon, magtrabaho, magsipag, magpagod para sa iyong mga anak. Kahit na
That's so good.
minsan, kailangan mong magbigay kahit na wala ka lang maibigay. Kasi nagmamahal ka, kahit na ubus ka, maghahanap ka ng paraan para lang may magipakita ka.
Soup next.
Sa
I
mundo,
love soup.
kailangan mo magpanggap para kumita ka, para ka ng iba.
That's good soup guys.
Mga tao. Pero ito po ang mabuting balita.
I'm Filipino guys.
Hindi mo kailangan maging hipokrito sa harap ng Diyos. Hindi mo kailangan magpanggap sa harap ng Panginoon para lang mahalin ka niya. Mamahalin ka ng Diyos kahit na sino ka pa, kahit na anong ginawa mo, kahit na anong nararamdaman mo. Maging totoo
So,
ka
yum.
lang
What?
sa harap niya. Magiging magaan ang buhay mo. May kaibigan po ako, yung kanyang
Some soup?
nagsihan.
Here.
Pero pagkatapos po,
Wait.
matapos ng anak niya, pumasok ulit, nag-enroll
Who's
ulit.
good soup?
Ang gusto po talaga ng bata, maging architect. Napakabigat po ng damdamin. Nalulungkot kay nanay sa kasama ng pera, kasama ng oras. Sumagot yung bata, pinagbigyan lang kita. Kasi gusto
Sorry
ko
guys, there's soup at my camera.
hindi ako masaya.
Thanks.
Tingnan niyo po, may paghihirap, may pagdurusa dahil merong hindi nagiging totoo. Wala nang ibang pinakamasarap na karanasan natin bilang tao.
That's my friend.
Sabihin mo,
Ah,
gusto mong sabihin.
guys,
yung
yaman-yaman
ka
yun.
Sa harapan niya dahil mabigat ng loob mo.
Sarap. Masarap yan po yan. Sino kausap?
Kabilaan mo
Video up.
sa
I'm a
harapan ng
video.
Diyos.
I'm gonna take for my sister.
Kasi alam mo,
Oh, that's good one. Noodles.
yung kaibigan ko po na may problema sa kanyang business.
That's very much nice.
Hindi ko po nakausapin siya. Ayaw po pagpa-counseling. Itong lalaki. May trust issue daw. Ang
Yes. Yeah, you go to my screen.
lumapit sa
Ow! You do an intro.
dasal siya at hindi. Kasi
Can I have some soup?
yung kanyang
Some soup. What? You need some ketchup? What? Like? Yeah. Here's my sister, guys.
Hi guys.
Can I have
Guys, what's your name? Guys?
road?
Oh, they're cute. They're cute.
Say hi to them.
Hi good guys. You're like a bro guy.
What you said?
Bro guys.
Cool. Bro guys or bro guys?
Bro.
Oh, okay. What? Say sorry.
Oh, I'm so sorry bro. So sorry guys. So,
So naman.
Because when you are needy, you will find strength in him.
I cannot see those. Here's some soup.
thanks bro.
Find peace
Here, taste my soup.
in Jesus Christ, our Lord. Remember this,
They're good.
there is
I love this.
blessing in
I loved it
revealing
so
your
much.
good before God.
I have some noodles. Are you okay, bro?
Yeah, I'm
What does it mean, bro? Bro, the soup just like go to her eyes is super hot soup, guys.
What the hell is you?
I'm so sorry. Can I have all your noodles?
It's your turn now.
No!
Here you go.
No!
That's what you deserve it. This is what you wanted, guys.
Gusto nyo?
Show your hands.
Bro, I even have space. How dare you? Bro, there's not boiling soup.
That's a burning soup.
Shut up.
You said.
Sorry.
Isuot niyo po ang tatlong T dyan sa inyong mga kalooban.
What I
Sa inyong push. Huwag lang sana.
What the frick?
Kung mabuti ang mukha mo.
I'm gonna eat like this.
Don't say bad words. That's bad.
What the frick?
I said don't say bad words, okay?
What the frick?
If you say bad words, you're banned to my video.
I hate you so much.
You stop, please.
Okay, bro. Okay, Ranzo.
Yeah, my name is Ransom, guys.
Yeah, my
And
name.
this is Riella.
Hey, my name is Ice and the real.
No, your name is Riella. Your true name is Riella.
Oh, I know it. I know it. I know it. Hey, your hands.
Can I have your this noodles?
Get out now.
What?
Get out, I said.
Sorry.
How would you do that? How would you do that?
I'm just gonna take some noodles.
How would you get that noodles? I don't know to get some noodles.
Shut up. Shut.
How would I get some?
Are you serious? Why orange noodle fell?
My noodles is ready now, but it's you. Because it's you.
I'd like to hit like
Oh my god.
that's good noodle.
Oh my god. Are you sick?
Ooh.
Hey bro. Don't get mine.
You have good soup. Can I taste your soup? Stop, please.
Can I taste your...
Please subscribe.
Panginoon, dinggin mo kami. Sa kaibigan po ng ating puso,
Jesus Christ, my soup is so yum.
na pangangailangan.
Jesus Christ, it's so yum.
You actually have good soup.
Yeah, it's really good. Hey, those guys, they're not gonna see me. Good noodles. I got bro. You're seriously? Oh my god, wow. Guys, they're cute. Guys. Hey, don't beg guys. You're beg. I beg him. She's my friend. Guys, it's so young. Please subscribe to RNP. Yeah, me too. And like and follow and share the bell, okay? Like and follow, subscribe in the channel. Okay. Stop it! What is you? Your hand is disgusting, bro. Your little one is disgusting. What the? Up, down, up, down. Ow, that hurt. Hey, stop now! Let's go turn it in your screen, bro. Bro, it's my screen now. I'm so sorry, guys. Bro, wait, guys. I'm gonna post the video. Just joking. Video po kami.
Nagbibideo kayo? Dikitin pa mga
Yes. I don't have any space, bro. Yeah, no.
Ang iyong dinudulutan ng anak at itinapa, ay pagkalog mo kami sa mga inuupo sa aming kapakanan. Sa pamagitan ng Kristo kasama ng Espiritu
Salty noodles.
Biglang pa sa walang hanggan.
Can I have more?
Sumayo ang Panginoon.
It's my turn.
Diyos
Not yet.
ng mga puso at diwa.
It's my turn now. Not yet, bro.
Pasalamatan natin ang
Wait,
Panginoon.
if I like finish, here you go. If I finish my soup,
Naman namin makapangyarihan.
it's your turn.
Tunay ng makaapat na ikaw aming pasalamatan. Kinalulugod mong likhain.
Can you don't eat yet for your video?
At idinarangal. Sa pamagitan ng iyong anak na kinalulugdan, kaya utang na loob ng iyong tinatangi
I said,
at ng mga banal na
getting in my mouth.
ang iyong pag-iliw at
I said, get in.
Kaya kayo isa ng mga anghel, sisiawin ng
I said, get in.
nang walang bumpay sa kalamitan, kami nagbubunyi
That's it.
sa iyo kada pinakal.
I'm not gonna eat this anymore next time. That's good. Good job. Yay. I said get out. I said get out.
Hindi mo napansin yung nagkaroon ko pera? Hoy!
Not clean on it.
Ang manaming banal
Not yet.
ang talang kamalanan. Kaya sa
Disgusting.
pamagitan ng iyong Espiritu,
There's still soup, guys.
ito ang bukang para sa
Look,
maging katawan ng Panginoon.
there's still soup. Okay. Because it's almost finished.
Pinawal kanyang tinapay, pinasalamatan kanya.
Guys, it's almost finished.
Binabuhay ang mga nagagat sinabi.
That's good.
Harapin ninyong lahat ito
Red pa.
at sabi ng aking katawan.
Wala, mag-video ako.
Hey, what the?
Sa inyo.
Video yan.
Yeah.
12 minutes na yun.
Still me.
Hindi kanyang pinasalamatan. Inabot niya ang panis
Ano ba, sir?
ng mga nagagat sinabi.
Talaga sa mga nasi.
Ito at inumin. Ito ang panis sa aming dugo. Nang pagkawa ang Ang aking dugo,
O, Bella, sali kayo.
My chat. Not yet. It's not finished yet.
Sali, ito kayo.
And I finish this, I gonna... I'm done. Thanks, bruh. So my subscribers is here, bro. So it's so yum. And have the good soup. Wow! Wow! Get out! Get out! Hey! Your soup tastes so bad. They're yum. They're not good. Bad. So guys, it's so. What are my hair?
Sa iyong tinapay ng bibigay buhay at ang kalis na nagtataloob ng kaligtasan. Kami nagpapasalamat na tumayo sa harap mo para maglingkod sa iyo. Sinasamo namin kami magsali-sali.
No.
Kristo
I'm here. You're freaking guy. You're freaking guy. What are you doing?
Ama, ligatin mo ang iyong sila.
My dinner.
Laganap sa buong daigdig. Kuskusin ang pag-iis sa pag-ibig. Kaisa, nilingap ang sa kapapa.
Hey, get it. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Hey, get.
At ng tanang kaparihan. Alalahanin mo rin ang aming mga kapatid.
Mukbang.
Stop it! Uncle, you're ruining the video. Wait, get out!
Patuloy sa iyong kaliwanagan. Kakamang mo pagindapatid kanilang
They're wrong.
sa buhay na wala.
Lola, ito ba yung hinahanap mo?
Ang isa na mahalaga
Ito ba yung lalagyan?
Tinalanggi. Ang isa ni Jose ang kanyang malalakating ang isa na lahat ng mga apostol at mga banal na namuhay
So say bye, guys. Say bye. Hey, we're not done. No, say bye now. Say bye. Say bye. Kailangan ko pa. Say bye. Hey. Wow! He almost fell in the soup. I said, say bye. Hey. Say no, bye. I getting mukbanger. And I finished this. Say bye. Hey, I'm not gonna finish. Say bye. I'm gonna turn that video off. No. Say bye. Say bye. No. No. Okay. You say bye first. Bye, guys. Bye. Love you guys. Love you then. Love you so much. Subscribe to RP. Follow, share, and click the bell, guys. Your turn. And subscribe in the channel. Bye.
Thank you for watching RLP TV.